furniture store marks up the price that it pays the manufacturer by 35%. If the furniture store sells a recliner for $499, how much did the furniture store pay the manufacturer for the recliner? And we don't necessarily need this. We should know automatically that with money we're going to round to the nearest cent, but we're specifically told to do that for this problem. Okay, so what we're looking for is how much the furniture store paid the manufacturer. So you can use a variable for that. I'm just going to let that be P. So let's say paid manufacturer. That's the amount we're looking for. We don't know what that is. What we do know is what they turned around and sold that recliner for, which was $499. Well, how does the furniture store determine how much it's going to sell it by? It marks it up by 35%. So it's going to charge the amount that it paid plus 35% more. Now, 35% in decimals, 0.35. Always with percentages, you have to multiply by, it's a percentage of what? So the 35% is the percent of what it paid. So 0.35p, and that gives us a total of the $499, which is what it's going to sell for. Okay, so then now we've got same variable on one side of the equation, so we need to combine 1p plus 0.35p is 1.35p. Has to equal the 499. And then to solve for p, we will divide by 1.35. Okay, so if I'm rounding to the nearest cent, looks like that's going to be 369 and 63 cents. And of course I should use dollar sign for that. $369.63 is the amount that the furniture store paid the manufacturer for this recliner. Now, a common mistake with this problem is to just see this number and multiply by 0.35 automatically, but you have to think through what's going on here. They used the 35% to get to $499. So they didn't know this number until they had done 35%, and it was 35% of what? Of this price that they paid. So it's the price they paid plus 35% of that price is what gives them the total to charge when they sell the recliner.